So let us solve one problem from Get Physics. So the problem states that a particle with charge q and momentum p is moving in a horizontal plane under the action of a uniform vertical magnetic field of magnitude b. Measurements are made of the particle's trajectory to determine the sagitta s and half chord length l as shown in the figure. Which of the following expression gives the particle's momentum in terms of q, b, s and l? So we'll assume s much less than l. Let's start the problem. So the motion in a magnetic field perpendicular to the motion, the centripetal force equal to magnetic Lagrange force. We can write centripetal force equal to magnetic Lagrange force equal to, which implies that p square by mr equal to qbb, or we can write that p b by pb by m, or which implies we can also write p equal to q b into r. So we need to express the radius r in terms of s and l, right? So we need to express radius in terms of s and l. So the geometrical relation of the sagitta chord radius. So for a circular curve we can write s equal to r minus root over r square minus l square, right? So assume s is much smaller compared to the l. So we use the binomial expansion. We can write r square minus l square equal to r 1 minus l square by 2r square. So which implies that s is r minus r into 1 minus l square by 2r square is equal to l square by 2r. We can write, or r we can write l square by 2s. So we plug into the momentum formula. P, we know P equal to qbr. So qb into l square by 2s. So we have reached the final answer. So P equal to qb l square by 2s, which is our required answer. So this answer matches with the option D of the given problem. Hope the solution is clear. So thank you.